Okay, first vlog. Absolutely gorgeous camper van. Do you remember the split screens? This is absolutely wonderful. Obviously, the split screens are extremely valuable. I would guess this still probably is. Lovely kind of like light green, maybe mint even. Yeah, maybe a mint. I'm not going to go outside with the new camera. Maybe I will risk it actually. I'm going to put my hand over it because it is raining. Spent a small fortune on this. But that is what we're working with. So it's just going through its decontamination stages. And I can't wait to start bringing a different quality of content to the channel with the new camera. So yeah, let's make it happen. Guys, look at the state of this. So, let's bring it back. Let's bring it back to life. Really enjoyed these type of jobs. So if you look here, you can see the clarity coming back. I mean, this is what we're dealing with. Look at that. Look at that. We're talking, it's pretty much shot, but look at what we're getting back here. And then if I go to the door here, look where Neil's working here. Look at that. Now look over there. It just looks fantastic. So this, yeah, obviously, this is what I was saying to Neil as well. You've probably heard this conversation, but you know, when you've got a vehicle this age that's this degraded, it's not perfection you're seeking. There's something else, and as you reach it, you'll know. So I do a test patch, for example, did a test patch on this, and I said to the client, I'll let you know if I'm going to carry on with the job because I don't want to take any money for anything that's not going to satisfy me. So, but this is what I want to see. This looks great, and I can't wait to hand this back. Obviously it's not perfect. You've got fiberglass body and it's heavily sanded and it's really degraded. It was clearly, by the look of the fuel cap, a completely different color because I can see all the red in there. So, you know, it's this fiberglass. Feels like it, or is it tin? Some of it feels like fiberglass, some of it feels like tin, unless it's just filler. But here we are now, just working our way down this side. We'll probably get this side done today and stop because we're ahead on this job. It's really looking good. coming along for the polishing run. Do you want to move? Doop, doop. I mean, he's going a bit crazy here, isn't he? Come on, bud. You're gonna move. Okay, I better get back to some work. Yeah, tricky this front end, isn't it? So what we're dealing with here, guys, is first of all, we can't get this off because if you look, we really want to get in there. So we're gonna have to do that by hand, but it's getting there. Oh, it feels a lot better, doesn't it? I think he's gonna be happy with this. And then I take it we're gonna mini this here. Yeah? Okay. So, guys, the result is coming up nice. If you look at that, look at the reflection down there. I say mini, I call it mini, it's not the mini, this is the 3-inch. And my goal now is to attack these sections here. So going with Kosh Chemi F6, don't want to go too abrasive. Now I know what's happened to the car as well, it was chemically burned. Gentleman took it to a £5 car wash, they've used TFR on it and burnt it. So we're polishing it back. So I'm going to use the mini on this, see what happens and see what we can get up with. Neil, would you mind passing me a wiping cloth, please? Cheers, buddy. So I'm going to see what we can do here. And there we go. There we go. Thank you. Does this want to clip? It smells good. Let's see what result we can yield here. And this is fantastic because this is literally enabling me to talk. It's moving around as if there's somebody holding the camera. So this is fantastic. So let's see. What we can do. I don't like the shadow, but that's cast. There we go, that's better. Not sure if this is going to give me a good result, but let's see. Oh, I don't know. I think I can see a bit of glass. So, moment of truth. Let's have a look. What do you think, Neil? Shiny or not? Huh?
Well, you know.
What? No. What do you guess first before I wipe it?
Yes.
You think he's going to do it?
I think so.
I mean, yeah, you can see a clear. You see that? It's not perfect. I mean, because these what look like swirls are actually sanding marks in the base, but that is going to look nice. Just from that to that. Look at the difference.
Yeah, I can see it stronger.
You can see.
Yeah, I can see the.
Yeah, you can, can't you? You can actually see
Yeah,
That's beautiful. All right, let's bash through this. Peace. And here is the difference that we're yielding here. Look at that, nice and shiny. This is how it looked before. So this customer was literally going to paint this, and I think we may have saved him nonetheless. So yeah, this looks much better from that to that. Okay, so we're going to smash through this, and I'll give another update in due course. So, Mini, Rupes, Nano, very expensive machine, it's about 600 quid. And we're using this on all the little detail pieces, so you can imagine this is very slow progress. So I'm going to pass this over to Neil, and he's going to do a little section, and I'll film him doing this. It's coming out really well, really pleased with this. Yeah, bud. Let's turn that around. So we're just loading up the pad. And what I've done as well is I've marked the pads so you can see how much it's stalling. So in this case, the stall's very little. So it helps us work out the pressure that we're putting on the pads. Again, we're not expecting perfection on this, but we're going, I'm doing more than the clients. I think we're getting to a place where the client won't expect what we've got to. I mean, look at that, I can actually see, look at that. My leg there, fantastic. This was matte before. Another area I've just noticed, Neil, door handle in here. So there's so many little nooks and crannies that we could easily miss on this. Brilliant. This is one of our go-to machines, really. We use this a lot on the bumpers. A-pillars, quick spot repairs when we've made a mistake with ceramics and we've kind of got a high spot. This is our go-to machine. We use it a lot in it, don't we, Neil? We use it a lot now.
Every job.
Yeah, pretty much every job. Obviously detailing and ceramics are a massive part of what we do here. If you didn't know, for example, like this one, if you didn't know, we are G-Technic accredited for Birmingham. I think there's one of two. So, or at the moment, we're the only one. So we do all the kind of warranty work for Porsche and G-Technic. So the local dealers will send their warranty work here and we repair them. So this one was actually a warranty repair, where I've done some sanding on the bonnet. I've PPF'd the bonnet after I've sanded it, polished it all up, polished the rest of the car. We've ceramic coated it with CSL Black, which is a 2-layer coating, and I'm literally just waiting for this client to pick this up. It should be here any minute, so I'm really, really excited for him to pick this up. I'm hoping he's as happy with it as I am. And then obviously our bread and butter, of course, working on the retro stuff. But for me, I do a lot of the paint protection film installs, vinyl installs, and Neil really takes the leading role on the ceramics and things like that, because obviously I can't do it all. But got quite a few trophies as well in our detailing and wrapping world, which is amazing. That was Detailer of the Year. That was the concourse for my BMW. So yeah, we've got some good accolades here, which I'm really proud of. So we are on the last leg of this job, and it's been we're getting to the point where we're tired. We are struggling and we're tired. So last port of call is Crystal Serum Light Black, 2-layer coated. So we're going to have to coat this whole vehicle with a makeup pad all the way around. So think of it as like a hand applied lacquer. That's what we're going to do. And yeah, I'm going to get it on. So I'll show you what we do. We basically pick up the solution, drop it to this pad. I'll apply in 30 by 30, maybe a little bit larger because it's flat squares, and we're just going to blend down the car. Neil's going to start here, or vehicle, sorry. Neil's going to start at that side, I'm going to start at this side, and we are going to meet in the middle and see where we can get to and what we can achieve. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to smash through it now and yeah, try and get this done. It's Friday, it is just coming up to 3 o'clock. We've probably got maybe another hour and a half in us. Let's see what we can do with it, and if not, we'll have to come back on Saturday morning and finish it off. So let's go. Peace. I think you got to know about classics when they come in the shop. Always put the paper down because it's put loads of oil under that one there. I suppose you could kind of call these cousins, couldn't you, really? And here it is, the finished article. So proud of this one. I've thrown the black mist filter on this as well, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this video turns out. The first full video with our new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's stand back and have a look at it. And obviously you saw how this came in. I think we've nailed this. We've absolutely nailed this. This looks incredible for, you know, save the client over 3.5, 4K on getting it repainted. Is it perfect? No, of course it's not, but what a difference we've made to that. That's unbelievable. That is absolutely unbelievable. Let's have a little walk around the other side. Wow. What a difference. I am so pleased with that. Really proud of that. A lot of hard work went into this. I think the client will be over the moon. And that is another one done. So do me a favor, guys, like, subscribe, share the video. We need to grow. Really want to get this channel up to 5 to 10K this year. We're only on 1,000 followers, just under 1,000, so really need the help. And thank you very much. And the next one is in there. So we're going to end it there. See you on the other side, guys.